Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today, we're taking a closer look at a car that's sure to turn heads, the YBR. Now, the folks at YBR haven't revealed a ton of details yet, but based on the teasers and leaks, we can still dive into what makes this yellow wonder so exciting. Standing out, design and uniqueness. The first thing that grabs you about the YBR is, of course, the color. Ditch the stereotypical silver and black, the YBR is all about a bold, sunshine yellow that screams individuality. It's a statement color for a statement car. But it's not just a splash of paint. Rumors suggest the YBR might have a unique two-tone or accent scheme that uses black or carbon fiber for a sporty contrast. Leaked images also hint at a futuristic design. We're talking sleek curves, sharp lines, and headlamps that wouldn't look out of place on a concept car. The YBR seems to be aiming for a head-turning combination of sporty and futuristic aesthetics. Performance, built for the drive. Now, getting past the flashy exterior, what about the engine? There are whispers of a possible hybrid option, which would be a great choice for eco-conscious drivers. But whispers also suggest a powerful, high-performance engine for those who crave a thrilling ride. Without official confirmation, it's tough to say for sure. But one thing's certain, the YBR is built to perform. The design hints at aerodynamic efficiency, and rumors point towards a well-tuned suspension for a smooth yet sporty ride. Technical specs, a glimpse under the hood, but not literally. While official specs are still under wraps, here's what we might expect based on rumors. The YBR could come with a range of driver assistance features like automatic emergency braking and lane departure warning. A large touchscreen infotainment system with all the latest connectivity options also seems likely. One interesting rumor suggests the YBR might have a feature that personalizes the driving experience based on driver preferences. Imagine a car that adjusts settings like seat position, temperature, and even music to your liking. Unique selling points, why choose YBR? So, what sets the YBR apart? It's the combination of a bold design, a focus on performance, and the promise of innovative technology. Whether you're drawn to the head-turning yellow or the whispers of a personalized driving experience, the YBR seems to be offering something truly unique. Outro. Of course, this is all based on rumors and leaks. But one thing's for sure, the YBR has generated a lot of buzz. If you're looking for a car that's anything but ordinary, the YBR is definitely one to watch. So, stay tuned for more updates as we learn more about this exciting yellow machine,